Have you ever wondered what decentralized applications, or Dapps, are? In the ever-evolving digital landscape, Dapps are making waves and piquing interest. As the world grows more interconnected, the importance of decentralized systems becomes increasingly apparent. With no central authority, these applications are transforming the way we interact with technology, data, and each other. But what exactly are Dapps? The concept can seem a bit daunting, a labyrinth of technical jargon and intricate processes. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark, but fear not. Our mission here is to turn on the lights and simplify this complex concept. We aim to break down the walls of confusion and illuminate the path to understanding Dapps. By the end of this journey, you'll have a firm grasp on what Dapps are and why they matter in our digital age. So, buckle up as we delve into the intriguing world of Dapps. To understand Dapps, you need to first grasp the concept of decentralization. Decentralization in the realm of technology and the internet is a revolutionary concept that shifts power from a central authority to the numerous individual users within a network. Think of it as a city where there's no mayor or city council, but instead, each citizen has an equal say in how the city is run. Traditional systems, on the other hand, are centralized. They're like a monarchy, where one central authority, like a king or queen, makes all the decisions. When you use a traditional app, like a social media platform or a banking app, you're relying on that central authority to store your data, process your transactions, and make decisions about how the app functions. But what if we could eliminate that central authority and give power back to the users? That's where Dapps come in. Decentralized applications, or Dapps, are applications that are built on a decentralized network. Instead of being controlled by a single entity, they're governed by a network of computers, also known as nodes. Each of these nodes has a copy of all the transactions and data, creating a transparent and secure system. In this way, Dapps leverage the power of blockchain technology, decentralizing trust among a network of users. This decentralized nature of Dapps also means that they're resistant to censorship and external control. Imagine a social media platform where no single entity can decide what content is allowed and what's not. Or a financial system where transactions are transparent and can't be tampered with. That's the power of Dapps. Moreover, Dapps are often open source, meaning their code is publicly available for anyone to see and verify. This adds an additional layer of transparency, as anyone can check the code for fairness and security. In simple terms, Dapps are just like the apps you use every day, but they operate on a decentralized network. From social media to finance, gaming to content creation, Dapps are reshaping the way we interact with the digital world, offering a more democratic, transparent, and secure alternative to traditional apps. What separates Dapps from regular apps are their unique features. Diving right in, the first key feature that sets Dapps apart is their open-source nature. Open source means the source code is freely available to the public. Anyone can view, modify, or distribute the code, which encourages collaboration and transparency. This openness ensures that the development and control of a Dapp isn't confined to a single entity, but is instead a collective effort. It allows for a community-driven approach where users can contribute to and influence the development of the application. Next up is the use of blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This means that data isn't stored in a single location but is spread across a network of computers, ensuring its security and immutability. With Dapps, every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, promoting transparency and trust among users. Moreover, the incorporation of smart contracts in Dapps automates the execution of transactions without the need for intermediaries. This automation ensures that predetermined rules are followed, providing a secure, efficient, and tamper-proof system. Lastly, let's talk about the absence of a central authority. Traditional applications are controlled by a single organization or entity that has the power to change the rules, access your data, or even shut down the service. With Dapps, there's no central authority. Decisions aren't made unilaterally, they're made by consensus. This decentralization allows for greater user privacy and control over personal data. But what does all this mean for you as a user? Essentially, these features mean more power in your hands. You get a transparent system where you can verify transactions. You have the assurance that your data is secure and not controlled by a single entity, and you can contribute to the development and direction of the application. These features make Dapps a powerful tool in today's digital world. Now that you understand what Dapps are and their features, you might be wondering where you might encounter these applications. Let's start with the finance industry. Decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, is a rapidly growing sector. Dapps like Uniswap and MakerDAO are shaking up the financial landscape by providing decentralized exchange platforms and lending services. These dApps eliminate the need for intermediaries, offering users more control over their transactions and potentially lower fees. Now let's jump into the gaming world. dApps are revolutionizing this industry by offering games that are entirely on the blockchain, like CryptoKitties and Decentraland. These games offer a unique feature: true ownership of in-game assets. This means that players can buy, sell, or trade their virtual assets as they please, providing a whole new level of engagement and investment. In the realm of social media, dApps like Steemit and Minds are emerging. These platforms empower users by allowing them to earn cryptocurrency for creating and curating content. Unlike traditional social media platforms, these dApps are censorship-resistant and put privacy front and center. Across these industries and more, dApps are offering new levels of transparency, user control, and efficiency. They're not just about cutting out the middlemen, they're about democratizing access and giving power back to the people. As you can see, dApps have a wide range of uses and are reshaping various sectors. So let's summarize what we've learned about dApps. These decentralized applications operate on blockchain technology, providing a transparent and secure environment. Their unique features, such as open-source coding, incentivization, and data privacy, make them stand out in the digital world. From gaming to finance, dApps are changing how we interact with technology. With this understanding, you are now better equipped to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.